Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can publish an app to the Google Play Store. And just so you guys know, it's that the Google Play, to get an account on the Google Play Store Developer Console, you have to pay $25 to create an account, so you need an account to upload an app. So, as an example from this video, I'm going to be using the calculator app we made last week. If you didn't see that, go check that out. So, the purpose of the Google Play Store is so that other people can download your app easily instead of having to give them the file from the app, and they can just go onto the Play Store and then download it. So let's go and check the app out. So let's go to the app by going to the MNT App Inventor, sign in, and the app will show. There we go. Now here, what we have to do, we have to save the APK file to the computer. We don't want to provide the QR code because the QR code is for the mobile app, where on your phone when you're testing it, you can download the app. But we want to save it to the computer so we can upload it. So it will compile, and yeah. Okay, it's done. So now we're gonna use that file to upload. So what we have to do is go into the Google Developer Console, and here we go, guys. Click on this one, and basically this is what you'll see. And yeah, so you have to sign in, and here you can log into the Google account, and um and it will ask you to do all the registration. And I believe that should be pretty easy, so that so you guys can do that. I don't have a video on that, but if you have an account, you can just log in and launch the console. Now let's make an app, and by present create application, let's call this app Calculator. Okay, so now let me just put the description: a simple calculator made in App Inventor. Okay, and we don't need any full. Oh, we do. So yes, I just copy that in. There we go. Now let's save that. Okay, now next thing you guys want to do is you have to go to App Releases and Production Manage and say the release. Now this is where you upload the the APK file that we have here. I'm saying here we can opt out, and here let's browse files, and we can upload the file we want. Now, and here release notes, we don't want that, and you can remove that. And okay, the file is added. You can save that. So if you did it correctly, it should be ticked. Now let's go to the store listing, and what did it redo? Okay, so guys, here's where you have to use you have to make images so that it'll look good. All you need to do is do the ones that are styled. So, guys, I'm just gonna make these. I don't want to show all this stuff. So, yeah. So, guys, I'm just gonna skip this, and I'm just gonna make these images, all you need to do is just go to Paint and just resize the things like however you want, like based on the resolution it wants, and like that you can just change it to say it wants, if it wants 512 by 512, and then you can just change it to 512 by 512. See, it says that. So guys, I'm gonna make the images, then I'm gonna show you how you can upload it. Then we can move on. So guys, I got the images, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna import the images. Just click on the pluses, and one thing for the screenshot, I don't know if it will work. I'm using snipping tool to just snip out the screenshot. So I don't know if it can tell if it's a real screenshot on the device or if it's just an image. So I don't know if that will work. So I'm gonna first of all upload this, and it said I have to put 2 screenshots. So I'm just gonna upload this twice, but if you want a good app, this is just a tutorial, so I'm doing this. But for a good app, actually make 2 different screenshots. So here I'm gonna use the files I created. I just resized them again, make more quality ones, and these are just for the tutorial, so it won't be that good. And here, select whatever category your app is in. So mine, for example, is in applications and productivity, and here in the email, and I'm just gonna not submit a privacy. And I think that's it for this section. And there we go. Now we can move on to the next one. So the next one is content rating. Here you just have to like submit this questionnaire. It's actually pretty easy. So I'm just gonna do my email. And again. Okay. Now, okay, what do I do now? Oh, app category. Entertainment. I don't know. Utility, I think. No. 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 Location, no, no. No, no. Okay, save. Calculate. Yeah, it should be pretty. Okay. So, okay, we got that one done. Now, the last one we have to do here. 3. I'm just gonna do available for all of them. Is that it? Okay, I have to do something. Not really. No, no ads. Daily. Wait, is that it? No, not. So if you can't get any of the check marks, you can hover over the tick and then it would show. Oh, is it just like you just have to accept some of the things? So it should be pretty easy. Oh, here it is. Okay, that should be it. There we go, guys. So we're officially now allowed to upload the app. So I think you have to go to app signing. No. Store listing, I think. And yes, we're to publish. So now you can publish an app to manage the releases. So now we have release. So this is the file we uploaded earlier in the video, and we're gonna review. And that's it, guys. And after we create this, it'll take a while for it to uh, upload like all of it. And yeah, and it should just create and release. Okay, wait, is it ready? Wait. Yeah, so it says pending publication. That means it's just taking a long time. And this will take like a few days. For me it did, and so yeah, guys. In a few days it should say like published, and if you go onto the App Store, the Play Store, you can find it. So guys, that's the end of this video. So guys, see you in the next video, and goodbye.